Szechuan beef. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Can use canola, vegetable, or olive oil. 1 pound flank steak cut into 1/4 inch thick strips. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1 red bell pepper cut into thin strips. 2 scallions thinly sliced. Marinade. 2 teaspoons cornstarch. 2 teaspoons shaoxing rice wine. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Sauce. Half a tablespoon oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons chili garlic sauce like Sambal. 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. Half a tablespoon brown sugar or similar sweetener. 3 to 4 tablespoons water. 1½ teaspoon chili oil or Szechuan peppercorn chili oil. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Half a teaspoon ground Szechuan peppercorn powder optional. Directions: toss beef and marinade ingredients and let sit for 15 minutes. In a small bowl, add all sauce ingredients and mix until evenly combined. Add cooking oil and garlic to wok or deep skillet and bring wok to medium-high heat. When the oil is fully heated, add in beef, placing it as a single layer at bottom of wok. Let beef cook about 1 minute without moving it so that it develops a nice sear. Flip beef and do the same to other side. Your beef should be almost fully cooked but still pink in the center. Add in the bell pepper strips. Pour in the sauce. Stir fry beef and peppers in the sauce. Taste and adjust sauce as needed. Cook until beef is fully cooked and peppers are tender but still crisp. Garnish with scallions before serving.